Let's just see if she can do the belch of the beast.
I can't do it. No.
Wait, camera shy? No. Camera shy? Okay. Hi, Katie. She's gonna belch.
No. There's this close to belching.
Meow. I will.
There's nothing in there. I'm sorry. I can't burp.
Well, apparently, even though we're trying to make an attempt at having the belch of the beast come out of this little person right here, not working out so well. So, I'm just gonna wait. Well, maybe she'll do the fart of the beast.
No,
that's even more entertaining.
No. No. What? We have to evacuate. Really? Oh no.
Well, you might have to. Your fart
You never
stink.
know. I need to burp.
Well, then burp. We have people watching. Burp for them.
I'm a parrot.
No, that is the belch of the bird, not the beast. Katie being terrified in my house. Kasey being stupid in my house.
I think this is like a magical bird movie. There's something. It's coming. Keep talking. Talk.
Belch!
As Kasey eats on the camera. I can't help it. That's what lesbians do. I didn't see that.